What up with the wheelhouse, baby? You guys ready to hit it? You ready to get it? You ready to level up and get with it? Time to charge those batteries and get that money printer out because we are headed to the moon to stack chips and get paid out. Now on this channel, no baby stepping, no line stepping, no loose talk, no second thoughts, and definitely no maybes. And like I always say, green lights to the beach, baby. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, hit subscribe, hit like on the video, and select all so you get all the content. And if you are interested in learning technical analysis or how to navigate the crypto or stock markets, how to hunt bullish breakouts and spot momentum so that you can win and enter technically, exit technically, compound your gains, there's a Discord link in the description below. We have all the Jedis in there, all the Padawans. You can get my trade alerts. You can get one-on-ones with me. You get up to 10 hours, 10 different meetings with me, one-on-one for private lessons. We could talk about, you know, whatever it is that you're looking to get better at or you're interested in, or maybe some problems you've had, and we can help you turn that problem around. Those are really great. They're going well. I'm enjoying them, and the students are liking them as well. Also in the Discord, you have all the different chats, the crypto chat, the stock chat, the Jedi chat, and then we do the Wheelhouse Wednesdays where we do group trainings on all kinds of stuff, and those are really fun. They're really cool to be part of that group, and everybody's learning really fast, and I'm teaching everybody, and they're gaining momentum very fast as far as knowledge and learning how to, you know, hunt the stocks and the cryptos, how to enter and how to get out and what to spot and how to position size and where to put stops to protect capital. And there's just a lot of really good information going on in the Discord. So, you know, you should invest in yourself. It's only 99 bucks a month. Most people are making that for an entire year subscription within the first day or two. So it's really a cool thing. Remember, I was retired. You know, I've been a CEO of 3 global companies, the CIO. I got on YouTube to kind of help people because I know there's a lot of bad information out there and people are struggling, and I can tell there's a demand for it. So I thought I would, you know, kind of jump out of retirement and, you know, kind of get the message out and start helping some people to make money and kind of get some wealth and, you know, turn it around for themselves. So yeah, my name is Chris and welcome to the Wheelhouse. So I thought today what we would do is we would just talk about the overall crypto market, the overall stock market, some things I'm seeing, take a look at a few cryptos, what I think is going to happen, as well as maybe a few stocks as well. Now, I will tell you, let's start with crypto. I will tell you that crypto looks to me like it's about to run in quite a few charts. Like as an example, this FET right now, it's moving up, and it's moving up fast. So let's see. So on the daily, you know, this thing has been consolidating for a long time, and it kind of had quite the drop, and we established a floor over here, okay, at the 65-cent area. And what happened is it printed its first blue candle, and it's actually gone through all the time frames over the last 48 hours, and it's about to cross over bullish into a run. So that's a really good one. Avalanche is on a straight tear. It has been running really good. I mean, look at this. I mean, that's super bullish. It has a lot of room to run, it looks like to me. Obviously, you know, I'm a huge Bitcoin and Ethereum bull. And I'll tell you right now, it's very positive to see this doji right here. See this downward momentum stop, validate a bottom, climb up above a resistance, creating a new support, creating this doji, and moving to bullish. Now we're not quite there bullish on Bitcoin, but we are close. And I already re-entered yesterday, and it's already come up a couple thousand since I did that. On the cloud, on the 6-hour, we are about to turn blue, so this is very positive. On Ethereum has already turned bullish on the daily, and I'm super bullish on it. We already printed our first blue candle. We validated a floor right here with these 2 wicks. We climbed above resistance. We climbed above another resistance. We created a green body candle close above support, and this thing looks ready to run, and we're looking to create a new swing high pattern and go past this this 4,877. In fact, look, I just got an alert, breakout Ethereum. So that's because we're crossing back into this box right here. So once we get in this box, remember this box is sticky. It likes to go above it, come back down, go below it, come in. It's one of those little areas. So the fact that we fell through it and we're just now getting alerts that we're going back in, it makes me feel good that I bought it yesterday because I was able to spot this momentum. Now, this is really, really important. When this is low in the channel and it crosses, the blue line peaks through the pink, and this blue one peaks across the purple, and this one crosses all at the same time while this turns blue, and you print your first candle and your cloud behind there is turning blue, green lights to the beach, baby. So this thing, it looks good. Ethereum, if you got out and you are wondering if you should enter, now is the time to enter. Get back in Ethereum. Bitcoin, you could get back in. I already did. We kind of want to have the daily close today. I think it would be kind of important to have the daily close. I would love to see the daily close above 59,549, but even closing, we kind of want to have the close up here around that 59,549, which we're flirting with. I mean, technical analysis doesn't mess around, man. So we close above there. It's not so big about the day today, but the weekly tomorrow on this Sunday. So that would be good. I told everybody that Cardano was about to make its move, and here's the deal. Cardano has gotten wrecked, right? Everybody knows it. Nobody wants to touch it. Well, look, here's the deal with Cardano, guys. On the real, I'm just going to tell you straight up from a technical analysis perspective, and I know what I'm talking about when I say this. This looks to me like it's about to completely change directions. Why do I think that? Okay, so after it's gone down through all of this, and it's actually gone to bearish and created red ribbons, and the cloud has been red, and all that stuff, okay? Now let me just fix my chart real quick. I've been watching this very, very closely, and I put out an alert yesterday that I bought it, okay? The reason I did that was because several things happened at the same time, which is incredibly bullish when this kind of stuff happens. Not only did you have your stochastic cross on the daily, which is really good in a low channel, the vortex crossed at the same time, the RSI crossed the index, okay, the benchmark at the same time, and after all this, you got your first blue candle. Well, guess what? You got your first blue candle off a bounce off of a support and a bounce off the 200 at the same time. So a bounce off the 200, a bounce off of support, and everything crossed on the daily. It's taken a couple days to build this up, and you closed above the support. This thing is finally ready to move. Cardano is ready to move. Mark my words, I'm feeling good. In fact, when I bought it, it was $1. When I rebought it, it was $1.87, and that was yesterday, and that was last night, and it's already going up, just like I thought it would. So that's really good. You guys that are in ENJIN, what can I say? But congratulations, ENJIN is tearing it up. Mana is a good one to be in. I mean, look, on the daily you have it's bullish on the daily, guys. I mean, this thing, ENJIN's not stopping right now. ENJIN's gonna run, okay? Where's that Mana? I just want to take a little peek at it. Okay, it's way down here. It's fallen. Okay, it's fallen, but it's okay that it's fallen because you're still bullish here. You still qualify for everything I'm looking for, and your cloud has not turned red. So I think, Mana is definitely going to make it back up to this $5 range. It's $4.99, $5 basically. It's going to make it there, and then it's going to go further. I mean, this is very bullish, especially when it's on the daily and it's climbing up this angle. Okay, I think that NIO in the stock market is actually going to pop on Monday. The reason why is because finally, a little bit of news here. It's gotten beaten up. The clouds are the ribbons are still blue, which is good. Okay, you want to be in when the ribbons are blue, but you want to be out when the cloud turns red. And the cloud did turn red, and you could have skipped all this. But look, it came down here twice, and it closed above. Okay, well, actually, it's 10 cents below. I'm sorry, it's 8 cents below. but it's very close. It's flirting with the 200 and the support, just like that Cardano. So it needs to close above here Monday and off this 200 and back in this box, which I believe is going to happen. The reason I think it's going to happen is because it says right here, hold on one second. I am on NIO, right? Well, I don't know why it's giving me news for crypto right now, but NIO basically completed a senior note offering, and that is going to be bullish for the stock. I see it's already up in after hours a little bit, but it's probably going to send this thing back above here and back into this box and back on its run. And I do think it's going to that 55, 65 area. It's time for NIO to get some love. You know, everything's been going to the Rivian and the Tesla and the Lucid and whatnot. So, you know, NIO is coming. However, once it does, you know, just since you're at the beginning of this blue, just let it ride until it changes back to red. Basically, you could stay in there for a long time. Let's see what else. So there's a couple things I wanted to talk about with the overall stock market that really I don't think anybody is noticing or talking about yet, not even on the news. But again, remember, I've been doing this a very long time and I know what to look for. And if you take my courses and become a Jedi, this is actually something I go over in the courses. And it's called a divergence between macros. And what I want to show you is, and I actually have told you on the YouTube as well in the courses about the Dow theory, and when there's problems in the market, it's going to show up in the Dow. Well, the Dow on the daily, we're on the daily, right? Yeah, the Dow on the daily, the cloud actually went to red, and then it had 3 more red days, and the candles are getting bigger. Okay, that's also going on in the Russell. Okay, the cloud went red, and a couple these are big days. So with hiking a sheet, you know, until it gets smaller, see how right here it gets bigger, 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 and then it starts getting smaller, and then it changes. Well, we might have a little bit further to go in the Dow and the Russell. But if you look at the SPY is bullish. If you look at the NASDAQ is bullish. So what that means is when you have the Dow and you have the Russell coming down and you have the NASDAQ and the SPY going up, that's a divergence of macros. That is a show of a rotation, okay? And it also isn't the best thing for an overall stability when all 4 aren't moving in the same direction. If they're all moving up at the same time or they're all moving down, that's really healthy. But when they're divergences and they're crossing over on the indexes, it's not quite as healthy, and it's a sure sign of a major rotation going on. So you're going to want to be in that NASDAQ area for sure. Now, I had mentioned earlier, it's a warning shot when some of the big companies like Amazon, Facebook, Apple, PayPal, they start missing. You know, Wall Street will accept that, but they're only going to accept that for like a quarter. If there's another missed quarter, it's certainly a warning shot to the future that things are gonna get a little dicey, and it will show up in the Dow. Believe me, it shows up in the Dow because that's the 30 biggest influential companies in the U.S. and they're staples of the U.S. economy and just huge businesses. And if there's something wrong in the economy or there's something wrong in those companies, it will show up in the Dow, and that is an indicator, just like all these other indicators. It's an indicator that there could be problems on the horizon. I also read a report that Bank of America put out that they are forecasting that there is going to be quite a drop. So we just want to be really careful. And again, you guys, if you don't know how to navigate these waters and you don't know how to spot stuff early, please do yourself a favor, invest in yourself, and click that link in the Discord. Go to the frequently asked questions, upgrade to Jedi. You get all the courses, the one-on-one. You get to talk with all the other Jedis. You get the Wheelhouse Wednesday. And if you don't want to pay the $99 a month and you just want my trade alerts, how to get in and out, that's fine too. If you don't want to learn all the courses, it's totally fine. And that's only $49 a month, and that might just save your butt, you know. So, you know, you guys should do that. You know, you should invest in yourself. You know, before investing in anything else, invest in knowledge. You know, and you know, I'll help keep you safe and on the right track. Now, there are some really good things going on. You just have to understand how to follow the rotation. And one that that everybody likes, we'll just talk about, is Tesla. And Tesla has some extremely bullish moves coming in, and I love the fact that the cloud has just turned to blue. Okay, now I jumped in and made a little $40 gain yesterday. I already have a lot of Tesla in my long term, but I'm trading it right now because it's just easy. It's got so much volatility. But the last time that it changed was around $700, and you didn't have to get out until about $1,120. I mean, we're talking like, a really big gain just working the cloud here, and it just turned blue again. So I was right about that when I told everybody in the pre-market, look, this thing is about to move. We grabbed it, and I know it went up $40, but we actually made a little bit more than that because we bought it when it was red, because the charts were telling me that it was going to move, and all of these were just crossing, and now look, they are crossed over. So again, you guys, I can teach you all this stuff, and it's quite good. So what I think is going to happen is this is actually it's going to come up, and it's going to create over time. It's going to be going back up to this 1186.85 area, 1189, 1190, somewhere in there. And then, it's probably going to have a breakout past all-time high, and it's going to create a new swing high pattern and keep the direction of the trend, which is certainly heading up. So Tesla's looking really good. We have a lot of good plays in the wheelhouse trading group, and they're all like starting to print cash and do really well. We're staying out of trouble, either with our stops because the market is not right, or we're not in, we got caught up in a couple Dows, whatever, like PayPal as an example. But I got out of it. I'd rather trim out anything that has potential risk that could continue to drop, and focus on the ones that are pretty much showing that they are going to move in a really bullish momentum. And we just are scooping up money like Pac-Man eating pellets. So I'm going to end it there, but yeah, click that link in the Discord. And my name is Chris, and welcome to the Wheelhouse.